which includes is marked brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can add mobile data to this phone here. Alright, if you notice, we're going to say star 147 for Digicel. I'm going to show you how we can add it for Lime just to see. Alright, so I'm going to say star 147 and the number sign. Now when I finish, I'm going to click right here. Now when I click it, you notice it show you 2 chip right here. Some of you only having one. Alright, so for Lime, you select one for Lime for Digicel. Alright, so this is the Digicel system one. I'm going to click on that. Now when I click on that, you notice this is what come up right here. Alright, so this shall show that it's a 3D. Alright, but if you notice, the 3 is it only show the day, but the number outside you're gonna type. So what if you don't want a 3D, you only want a 1D? How would you do it? You notice it's the next right here. So you notice that the next you have a star. So you're gonna come right down here. So let's say 1, 2, click on that. You're gonna look for the star right here. So you're gonna click on the star. Now when you click on the star, you're gonna come right over and click on the rest. Now when you click on the rest, notice it take you to the rest. Right here, prime Brata Bongo, right? If you notice Starter Bongo, Vice only pack, right? If you notice Digital Loan, right? Just if you borrow a loan, you can actually come right. This Room International, no plan and previous and all of that, right? You cancel and send. But what we want to focus on is the Brata, which is here. So you notice again, as I said, the number side that you're going to focus on the number sign. So I'm going to type 2, just the same. So I'm going to come right down here and click on the word 2, and then I'm going to come right here and click on the word send. If you notice when I click on the word send, this is what come up with 25% discount of 7 days and all that. So right here, the 1 day, right here, if you want to go back, you type 0. If you want to go to something else, you press next. But right here, I'm going to press 1. Alright, which I'm going to go right back here and click. And I click on the 1. I'm going to press send. Just the same. Good. Alright. And that's how you actually send the credit to the Digicel. Alright. So you want to be looking at the line now. How you want to send it to the line. You're going to say star 2 9 number sign. Alright. You're going to come right here and you're going to click it. Now when you click it, number 2 is the line. Now when you click it on the line, definitely this is what come up. You show that welcome to flow right here. Balance inquiry, top up, transfer, roaming, unlimited. Alright. So if you want to check your balance, all you have to do is just type 1 right here and scope. I want to credit, transfer, it is same thing. So I'm going to click right here on 6. So as I said, I'm going to come right down here and then I'm going to click on 6 and then I'm going to press on send. Alright, you notice this come right up here now, so I can choose the 1 day, 2 day right here. As I said, number outside here. Alright, so if you want a 2 day, you're going to type 1 right down here. If you want a 3 day, a 7 day, you're going to type 3 right here, just the same. So I'm going to type 1 here, just the same. Then I'm going to press send, just like that. And if you notice right here, purchase, so I have to type 1 again, right, in order for me to confirm it. I'm going to come right here, click, type 1, and I'm going to click on send. And that's it. You notice it says sorry, insufficient fund. Alright, so as long as you have any credit, then you go.